Homeroom guidance for grade 7, module 3, first quarter, week 5 to 6. Embracing uniqueness. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to number one, distinguish your own uniqueness and characteristics from others. Number two, identify actions to accept your differences as observed in family interaction. Number three, value personal good relationships and individual differences. Do you like to solve the answers? Yes. There are similarities and differences among individuals. Some of these are obvious, others are not. It is important to recognize and respect your similarities and differences with the people around you in order to strengthen your relationship with them. Read each situation below and answer the questions. Write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. Situation despite differences, keep in mind we have to respect uniqueness. Being unique is something that you can be proud of. Could you imagine if the people in your community have the same face? That would be a challenge to determine who you are interacting with. Hence, the uniqueness of each person serves them to be recognized by others. Can we your friends through their faces? Preferences, gestures, and expressions. Keeping this in mind, we learn how to respect their individuality and establish healthy relationships with them. Here are some practical and effective ways on how to show your respect for others' uniqueness. Acceptance of individual differences will help us in establishing healthy relationships. Number one, recognize individual differences. As we interact with other people, we tend to compare and differentiate our personal traits, characteristics, and behavior from others. We can easily identify similarities and differences amongst people. It is essential that we value our individual differences so that we able to understand the reason behind other persons actions, beliefs, and behavior.